uh, other entrance exam. These basics are useful in every entrance exam. ISI, any math entrance, BSc or BSc or for Olympia. These are some common basic things. Okay, so let's begin with a problem. Okay, that I had given last time, so that can be a warm up for us, right? So warm up problem. So here is the question. So this is AIME 2011. So that's a very good exam. Okay, AIME, AMC 10, you guys can try 12 also if you have background, but this is AIME, this is also a good exam, very good exam. It's very relevant for you guys. So let me write the question. Okay, so you have a rectangle ABCD. So you have a rectangle. Wait, am I presenting my screen? Okay, thanks. Yeah. And also, so we have this rectangle. Let me draw the rectangle in the center because you never know what may come up in the solution, right? So these questions are not difficult, and I've also never tried them. Okay, intentionally, so that it could be a natural discussion, so that I don't dishonestly tell you that this is easy and try to give you a reasoning. So this is 12 and this is 10. Then you have points E and F which are inside the triangle. BE is 9. Okay, more importantly, BE is parallel to DF. So this is line BE, which is parallel to DF. So I should label them first. F. But then I will have to change this because EF is also supposed to be parallel. So you can see what is happening. This situation, I have to draw this. Okay. So someone is joining. All right. So this is DF. This is BE. So what looks parallel is parallel. So I'm not writing more things. Here. BE is 8. And no, BE is 9 and DF is 8. It doesn't look 9 yet. This is 8. And then the last thing is line BE intersects AD. So this line BE intersects AD. Oh, so that's going to intersect. Will it meet in our screen? No. Wait. Yeah, so this, sorry, so this has to be upstairs. This thing, oh, it's not going to intersect. As you see in the question, they are saying that BE intersects DF. So I just draw a line like this. Okay, fine. BE intersects the line BE intersects the line segment AD. Line BE intersects the line segment AD. So what? But where does it intersect? They are not telling us. Okay, find EF. Just find EF. Okay, find EF. Let's try to find EF. So you see, they are saying that BE intersects AD, but they have not said anything about the intersection point. Okay, let's try it. Okay, you have to find EF. Yes, this was the question. Is find EF. You want to find that length of the middle term. This is AIME 2011. How do you find EF? Any ideas? I suppose you guys would have tried this. Okay, okay. Um, let's try it now. So remember, even in the last problem of this type, we were trying to spot or create the right kind of parallelogram. That is the single most powerful, I think, support, maybe I can say, technique in geometry. Yeah. That later we call it translating the line in a different place. But making the right kind of parallelogram is the key to the theory of vectors and so on later. Even this PDF also is all about parallelograms. So can you find a parallelogram which will help you to find EF? Find or construct. Yes. F to AB, what line? Like, hmm. Or you can just say complete, yeah, just extend the DF. Extend DF, or you can say complete the parallelogram BEF. Right? Same thing, all same thing, right? So that's it. That is the main thing. You have to just complete, create whatever you want to call their right parallel. And no doubt this is a right parallelogram to draw. Now, what's next? Not writing this 12 here, I'll say 8. FG is also 9. Yeah. In fact, that's how Aparna drew it. But those are the same things. Yeah. If you just make it parallel, then it will be 9. It's a parallelogram. I just write it here only. FG is 9. So yeah, because AD is 10. So what is AG? something, yeah, 3 root 21, okay, and then you can find the BG, and the BG will be same as here. And suddenly it becomes simple. It was a very simple question, right? But you have to just complete the right parallelogram. So this BG. The calculation, I'm just trusting you guys on the calculation, but that's not the point. Okay, do that. 12 minus this, and then FE same as that. If you want to learn one technique in geometry and no theorems, it is making the right parallelogram. All our theorems have come from there in some sense. Translating the line to a different place, into a more suitable place for calculation, to be able to calculate. Okay. Una, Pragadish, is it okay with you two also? This, it's a very simple idea, okay, but yeah, probably very simple. You would say, why are we doing all these things? But because you guys couldn't do it directly. That's what I'm doing. Otherwise, I would move on to. Okay. So this was a warm-up problem. And there's a third problem I had given, but again, try it next time. Please give some time to these problems. Okay. The more problems I give time to them, then you will be able to take more from the class. Okay. So yeah, let me just maybe record again.